Hi, I'm Chef Chris Wilson, Corporate Chef for United Family of Stores. So what do you cook instead of turkey for your holiday meal? We carry a wide variety of alternatives to turkey for your preparation. First of all, prime rib. Great alternative to turkey. Beef tenderloin would also be a great alternative. Whole duck. We carry duck in the frozen section, another great alternative to turkey. Center cut pork loin. Simply season it, throw it in the oven, and slice, no bones. Ham, another great alternative to your holiday meal. This happens to be a boar's head sweet slice ham, but many of our stores carry a wide variety of spiral sliced and smoked hams. Another great alternative to turkey is fresh salmon. This happens to be a fresh whole side of salmon. Great for the grill or roasting in the oven. Thanks for watching. For more holiday tips, check out our website.